All right, y'all. This is our God.
I don't know how he's talked me into that. I actually talked us into buying another one of these burn-ass bikes, but he loves them.
Yeah, this one's got some light fire damage, maybe heavy fire damage. I don't know.
Or maybe just a burnt piece of junk.
It might be a total loss. I have no idea. I might have bit off more than we could chew here. So this is how our transporter left it in the middle of the night. I guess they threw it off the side of the truck, and this is how we found it this morning. So I guess first plan is just to go ahead and get it right side up, and then we'll go ahead and put some handlebars on it so we can push it around, and then we'll get it on the lift and do an assessment of it, just see how bad it is, if we think we should fix this, if we should just try to sell it just as the frame. This is actually a clear title bike. Some states have different laws or whatever, so this is still a clear title frame.
That was what made us kind of pull the trigger on it, because it has a clear title. It's a pretty big deal with the bike, so that's when we did it.
It's the only thing it really has going for it.
It's probably hard to tell what it is, but it is a Heritage Softail.
Yeah,
we haven't built one yet, so we've been wanting to build one.
Finally, we got our hands on a Softail, so let's go ahead and get it up, get it rolling, and then we'll go over and see how bad everything is and figure out what our next plan is.
I think they...
Yeah, you're ready.
We took a tree root out with the kickstand coming
they
up.
definitely threw it off. Look, it dug into the ground.
Yeah.
Look where the headlight landed. Oh, they just threw it off. Good God.
I don't think it hurt much, though.
What the hell happened with the handlebars?
They probably broke when they threw them on.
I bet they did. Let's see if that back thing's bent. I don't know.
You know it, bro. Well, I don't know. It might have damn melted. Look.
It did melt.
I don't know what color this bike was. You didn't know what your tail was.
I have no idea. Oh. I can't tell if it just got so hot. I don't think it's yellow. I wonder if we can get underneath it. We'll figure it out. What's y'all's guess on what color you think this bike originally was?
I'm thinking yellow. It's got a little bit of yellow right here.
I'm going with, I know it's two-tone, because you can look back here and see. Oh, never mind. It looks purple right there. It just got hot.
I want y'all to see the destruction of the fire. This one's pretty bad.
Real bad.
But like I said, the title makes it worth a lot more, in my opinion. And I'm sure Twink agrees also.
Oh yeah. All right, we got the bike pulled around here now. Going over it. Definitely all the wiring shot. Computer's shot. The forks are no good because they're burnt and fluid's coming out of them. All the chrome's burnt. I think the smartest thing at this point is just going to be to buy a parts bike, so that way then we have all of our other chrome stuff. I think we can save the body. I'm going to get the tank off and pull off the sending unit and just see how bad it's burnt in there, and see if we can still reuse that tank, just like sand it down and paint it. I don't know. We'll have to get in there. We plan on replacing the wheels and tires anyway. Definitely plan on putting different exhaust on it. So I guess the plan is now just to get it inside, get it tore down, get it down to the bare frame, and just start looking for a parts bike so we can get all the other stuff that we need. Try to walk it in here.
Ready?
I guess I am now.
You gonna fit?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Here, you ready? Tell me when you're ready.
Ready to go.
Oh shit. I ain't believing that thing went up there.
Should I tighten it down right now?
You can't hold it. Just hold the bike up for a minute.
It's gonna hurt.
Alright, before we go looking for a parts bike, I'm going to go ahead and get the fender, tank, and the rear fender off so we know what we need to be looking for when we're looking for a parts bike. We can use all this stuff. We can buy one that's mangled, that everything's beat up on, because all we need is, you know, just the chrome, the motor, and stuff like that. Which I think this motor's just fine. I think it's just all the chrome that's damaged on it and all oxidized. It's going to take a lot of work to make that look good. It's just going to be a whole lot easier just to buy a parts bike. But yeah, for right now, we're gonna go ahead and get the tins off of it and see what we're working with. My bolt's filled up with burn up plastic or metal or something.
What is it?
My bolt's filled up with burn up plastic. Can't get in there. There we go. Still hard to tell what color it is. And that thing got pretty hot on the inside and the outside. Of course, this is a Softail. I've never torn one of these apart, so I don't know what size does what and how everything comes off and stuff. So it's just gonna be a learning experience for me like it is for y'all. Clippers. There you go. Yeah, buddy.
What are you doing? What are you gonna try to get off it? Just the tank and fenders and the...
Yeah. The rear fender's gonna be some work. All those bolts got.
It's so nasty back here. I think it started right here.
Probably right. The battery rate starts.
That's hot. Hard to tell. That looks hot.
Put my phone on it.
We're trying to vents kind of.
I don't know, just got a bunch of crud on it right now.
It's got a bunch of nasty and buildup from the fire on it. We're trying to clean it up, make sure you can still read it, make sure it didn't get damaged, which I don't think it would, but it's just a possibility. Underneath the tank and all that, believe it or not, the wiring's actually good, which is shot everywhere else, which is crazy. That's what makes us think the fire actually started back behind the seat right there, behind the seat right there where the battery's at, probably.
Yeah, the most of this is just the melted seat in here. Just like plastic.
But our plan is to get this bike. We'll get this bike tore down. So we'll go bare frame, and then actually what we'll probably do is just either re-powder cut or repaint the whole frame, and then let's just build it from the ground up.
Just gonna go ahead and start taking stuff off the back. I don't really know how this comes apart exactly. get this dash off of here and get the fuel sending unit out, see what the inside of the tank looks like. Because if all that stuff's messed up, it's going to be easier just to buy a bike with a good tank on it. So. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. Hell no, none of that stuff's good.
Get a tank?
Yeah, we're gonna, yeah, all the harness, yeah, tanks F. Tanks definitely F, but it was white and blue for sure. Yeah, this thing's mangled, so.
Yep.
I
Throw it in
guess
the dumpster.
now we're on the hunt for a bike with a good tank, and hopefully we can find one with some like handlebars and stuff like that, so we don't have to go buy eights and extended cables and all that other stuff. At least that'd be the goal. But we need to find one cheap because we already have all the purchase price of this bike in it. We'll have to buy another one. Well, we definitely got our hands full on this one. The easiest way to do this, the most cost-effective way to do this is just to buy a parts bike. So that's what we're going to have to do, like we said. But this is going to be a project. And with us going all the way down to the bare frame and basically building the bike from scratch, we want to make it nice. So
yeah, we're going to make it real nice and just try to make it kind of like that, what's that style called? Like that?
I don't know.
Like that low.
Just like an old school look. Yeah, like the lowrider look. You want to do like a real bright paint job or something? Let us know in the comments what colors you think we should do. We definitely want to do a two-tone. Definitely doing white walls, right?
Yeah.
Spoked wheels. Lots of chrome. We want to do lots of chrome on it, big bars, and we want to get it real low in the back. Don't really want to spend the money on air ride, but we'll get there. We'll figure it out once we get to that point. So. Please continue to watch, share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next episode of this bike comes out. We appreciate it very much.
And there's going to probably be plenty of episodes on this bike.
It's going to take a minute.
We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.